To add a video to a page of your website, click Open the Features panel and drag the video features to your canvas. Use the Select Videos accordion to choose a video from your media library. Videos can be added in the Asset Manager. You can resize the video by using the handles around the video feature. The feature box will scale proportionally based on the dimensions of the video you select. Open the View accordion and select the features you would like to use. You can add or remove the title and description. Change the font and color of the title and description. And adjust the background color using the pre-selected color palette. Backgrounds can be either a solid color or a linear gradient. Add borders to any or all of the sides of the video feature like this. Adjust the size of the border with this slider. And select a color for the border using the pre-selected color palette or the custom color picker, like this. You can also adjust the border color when someone hovers over your video. Finally, you can add a box shadow to your video feature. Adjust the position of the shadow, the amount of blur, the color, and the opacity.